we created a whole new bathroom at the top of our house, and here's how much it cost. This process was part of a bigger roof replacement project, which I'll share detailed costs for soon. But for now, I'm going to share specifically how much it cost to kit out our ensuite, full total at the end. It is so hard to estimate how much renovations cost, so I'm sharing this to help out anyone who's planning to do the same. So the first step was plumbing and plastering. The plumbing was rolled into the labour for the whole renovation, so to estimate just for this space, I'd say around £600 to £800 for labour and materials. The plastering was also part of the bigger project, but to estimate just for the ensuite, I'd say around £400. We also had this brand new aluminium windows supplied and fitted for £480. I then tanked the shower space myself. This kit cost me £48, and I painted the room myself with paint I was kindly gifted, and I already owned the rollers and paint scuttle, but to buy all this kit new would cost me around £30. Now on to tiling. The tiles cost me £404 to buy, and the labour to fit the tiles and materials such as grout and adhesive cost £950 in total. Then buying the whole suite and everything we wanted for the ensuite cost us just over £1,500, including the loo, shower tray, shower enclosure, sink, taps, ceiling light, radiator, everything. We also went for a fancy reedy glass door, treat yourself, which was £287. So we didn't DIY fit this bathroom. Our builders came back to do the second fix, which means plumbing in and fitting everything, and that cost £800. We also had a mastic person do all the silicone around the sink, shower and tiles to finish it off nicely for £80. So the grand total for the ensuite came to just over £5,500, which, bearing in mind, is not just for fitting a bathroom, but literally building a new one from scratch. I am so happy with the final finish for that price, and we now have such a stunning space up here.